Today I'll be walking you through on how to log in your time on Godshall's portal. Go to godshall.com and click on the login on the top right to access your portal. Once you're in the sign-in screen, go ahead and put in your username and password. If you don't remember your password, you can quickly recover it by clicking Forgot Password and entering the email that you have used to access this portal before. It'll email you a code to go ahead and reset your password. Once you've entered the portal, go click Time Entry. On the right-hand side, click Add Timesheet. To fill out the timesheet, you'll need to select a week ending date, as well as the assignment that you are currently trying to submit time for. Once this is done, a timesheet should populate. To add time, click on the calendar, as well as the date that you would like to enter. If you worked a shift without a lunch break, add your hours and under the drop-down menu, select End Shift. To add additional hours and dates, click Add Time. This will populate more dates and times you can enter for your timesheet. In this example, we'll show you how to add time if you did have a lunch break. Fill out your morning hours, and then on the toggle, select Meal Break from the drop-down menu. Go back into the calendar icon, select the date, the remaining hours worked on that day, and hit End Shift. To make sure you account for the correct hours of that week, we recommend adding your time into the portal after every shift. You can do this by clicking the Save button. To edit a timesheet, click the Edit icon. Continue logging in your hours for that week. Once you're done logging in all your time for the week, click Submit. If your timesheet gets rejected, you will be notified via email. To make any adjustments, log back into your portal, and under the Time Entry tab, you will see a notification in red. Hit the Edit icon. You will see on the top a brief message about why your timesheet was rejected. Make the necessary changes to your timesheet and hit Submit.